Ever wanted to invest and you're a beginner? Then come follow me in this video. So yeah, welcome back. It's Lee. If you've been following my channel previously, I've currently just started investing in property. So I've just got my first property that's currently being refurbed, so you can go check that out. But this video is all about investing in stocks. So I'm looking to basically get to my next deposit or get my next amount of money so I can buy my next property, and I'm going to do that through stocks. So let's start my journey and come on, let's follow me. So yeah, I've currently just opened up a Trading 212 account, and I'm currently on the investing page. So they've got 3 channels. You go into the app or onto the website and you've got Trading 212, Invest, ISA, and then basically like stocks and shares, where you can buy basically like daily trading you can do on one. The other one's investing, and then the other one's like an ISA or some kind like that. I'm currently in the investing one. So I did play around on the daily trade one for a couple of months, like last year. I basically put £100 in there, bought like penny stocks like gas, oil, gold, silver, stuff like that. Bought it when it was low, waited till it got high, or I made some money and then sold it, and just slowly built funds up like that. I did buy into Tesla when that was low, and basically like overnight it shot up, and I think I made £1,000 on Tesla. So I've done small stuff like that in the trading market, but this one now we're looking at investing. And basically I'm just going to take you through what I've invested in going forward, and then basically just to join me, and I'll probably do like maybe every 2 weeks, once a month, an update on how this is going. So yeah, like I said, I opened this account yesterday. I put £30 into the account, and going forward I'm pretty much doing £10 a week. So £10 a week will go into my Trading 212 investment account, and each week I'll just keep investing that into 2 portfolios. So that's basically what I'm going to take you through now. The 2 that I'm going to invest in going forward. And like I said, you can follow along, maybe invest with me, join me on my journey, and then we can just keep up to date. Put in the comments if you are joining me. And then the beginners, let's start building some wealth. So yeah, the 2 I'm invested in, as you can see on the screen, is both Vanguard. So you got the Vanguard FTSE All World High Dividends, and then the Vanguard S&P 500. So they're probably, if you have been researching into investing, these are probably the biggest ones you've come across lately, especially the S&P 500. That's the biggest one. That's what everyone pretty much invests in. Just more into that. That's pretty much the top 500 companies in America or the world. I'm not too sure, but it's the top 500 companies, and pretty much you invest into that. That money goes basically stocks on those top 500, and then the FTSE All World High. There's 2 types of these. One of them is basically the money you earn from your investment goes back into your account, and there's another one where it automatically invests it back. So say you put £10 in, and then the end of the month you made £10 basically of interest. That £10 will get automatically reinvested into that, and it basically just keeps compounding. Or the other one is that £10, so that £10 interest you made basically just gets added to your account, and you physically got to reinvest that money yourself. So those are two types of footsies you've got. I've just invested into the automatic one, so basically automatically compounds the funds for me. Yeah, so I opened this yesterday, invested £30 yesterday, so I've got £20 in the FTSE, £10 in the S&P 500, and already in the market's been open 6 hours, I've already made 8p, so I'm on the way up. So make sure you are getting involved. I'll see if I can put a trading 2 and 2 link below for you guys. So if you do want to join me, then make sure you click on the link below, sign up to trading 2 and 2 and start investing. And make sure you do put in the comments box below if you are starting to invest, and if you've invested in these two or something else, just put the name below and I'll make sure I go check it out and look into it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.